Hi everybody, it's Deb from the Crafty Apple Tree. Tonight I'm going to be creating a spring swag using our chalkable chips and the rustic font transfer. First I'm punching holes into the chalkable chips to string the twine through. And I'll be using our Couture Teal chalk paste color. You want to make sure that you stir up your chalk paste before you get started. Make sure it's nice and creamy. And our transfers are tacky on the back, so they will stick to the surface as you apply the paste and they won't move. Now these are unlike stencils in the fact that they have the tacky back, and they're also made of silkscreen, which allows for great detail on your images as you chalk, making these products very unique. These products are so easy to use that even children can use them, and they have a lot of fun doing it. So now I'm putting the twine through the holes in each chip, and then I'll be adding some ribbon in between. Now, as I'm creating here, I want to let you guys know about a promotion that we have running for the month of April. If you decide to become a designer or a hobbyist enjoying Chalk Couture, the price of the starter kit is $99, and that has a retail value of $240. But for this new spring starter kit, there's a value of $270 worth of products in your starter kit. Now, as you join, you'll have a few months to get your business started. And as you do so, you have the opportunity to earn back your $99 for your starter kit. So it's like getting it free. If you would like more information on Chalk Couture and the products, there is an opportunity group that will explain everything for you, and I can tag you in that opportunity group so you can watch a live video that'll be on Monday nights at 8 p.m. Central Time during the month of April. You'll have a chance to win an Amazon gift card if you fill out a form and let them know that Deb Mac sent you to this group. So now I'm finishing up my swag. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial this evening. I had a lot of fun making it. See you guys next time.